Okay, so the 67 Camaro Ragtop is done. She's going home today. Sorry I didn't get a chance to get it out in the field and get a proper video of this, but as you can hear, we've had customer after customer after customer stopping in here today, so I haven't had a chance to do anything. But I got it cleaned up and she's going home today. The pretty lady that owns this is coming to get it. She's tickled pink to be able to drive her again. So we did body and paint on this, and then when I was putting it all back together, there was thing after thing after thing that I had to replace for her, which I felt really bad about. But you know, it's been apart for 15 years, so a lot of the stuff was broken when it was taken off the car for the first go round at the restoration that didn't go as planned. So anyways, here she is, and I hope the owner is happy. I'm pretty sure she is. It's going for upholstery. It's going for the interior and the top. Later on, our upholstery guy got backed up and he can't get her in until February, so she's going to take the car home for now, and then she's going to bring it back out here so that the top and the door panels can be put on, and that's it. So hopefully you're happy and you're going to cruise the tires off this old girl and show all the boys how to do smoke shows. She's got line lock on this, so she knows how to drive. And it's a 4-speed. So anyways, that's it, and another one bites the dust.